What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. We've got lots of new Hot Wheels castings and sets to report on, but before we get started, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on so you don't miss an upcoming video. Alright, let's get right into the news. We'll start it off with some new sets that I've reported on previously, which are now finally hitting stores, including this Hot Wheels Motor City Muscle Fast and Furious set. I'm particularly on the hunt for that Buick Grand National up at the top there. Next, we've got some more releases of 2020 Hot Wheels Zamax, including the Bugatti Chiron, the 1968 Chevy Nova, and the Porsche 917 LH. You can find these exclusively at Walmart stores in the United States. And here we have a new Nightburners 5-pack, which has recently been released in stores. Have you been able to find this one yet? We have previously reported on the 1976 Chevy Monza, which is a Hot Wheels 2020 Collector Edition mail-in car. Here it is on package in its blister pack. This is a fantastic looking casting. Next up, we've got the TV series Batmobile, which is a Hot Wheels ID chase car, which is finally hitting cases. Let me know in the comments down below if you have found this one already. Alright guys, we got some really important breaking news. Stay home. Please guys, stay home. It's not worth going out Hot Wheels hunting right now. Any Hot Wheels that you see in the news, please, you can get those later on. Your health is way more important than going out and looking for Hot Wheels right now. If you do still want to get them, it's safe to order them online. As you guys know, I get my Hot Wheels from groundedtoys.com. They are still fully in business and fully shipping out cars. That's going to be your safest way to pick up Hot Wheels right now. But please do not go into stores right now. Please stay home. Your health is way more important. Next up, we've got a new Hot Wheels premium car culture set coming out, including this Ford Bronco police car, this rescue Land Rover Defender 110 hardtop, a rally edition Porsche 959, a cool looking off-road Camaro, and the Mercedes Unimog Paramedic. This set should be available for purchase very soon. Are you liking this week's edition of Hot Wheels News? Make sure you hit that like button to let me know. Unfortunately, due to recent events in the news, several of the Hot Wheels conventions have been cancelled. Several cars that were supposed to be released at these Hot Wheels convention, as you can see right here, are unfortunately cancelled as well. Hopefully these will be available sometime in the future at future conventions. Moving on to this week's Hot Wheels Deal of the Week, and this week's Deal of the Week is the Hot Wheels display case, and this is an officially licensed and made by Hot Wheels case. You can see the Hot Wheels logo, which is encrusted into the back of this case. You have probably seen this display case many times before, as I use it in the background of all of my Hot Wheels videos. Right now this case is on sale for $49.99 on Amazon, and it also includes a very exclusive Chevy Silverado truck. Check out the first link in the description box below if you want to pick up this week's Hot Wheels Deal of the Week. And here we have some pictures of some new upcoming releases for 2020, including this Mazda MX-5 Miata, this really cool looking Ford Mustang Boss 302 black with gold trimmed wheels. Another Mustang is this Shelby GT500, which looks to be coming in a Flame series. The Baja Bug, which was originally released in white, is now coming available in a red color. Also in a new red color is the Range Rover Velar, which was originally released in silver, black, and then white. Check out this red one in an upcoming series. And that's gonna wrap up this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. Make sure you check out our Hot Wheels Deal of the Week, and don't forget about our breaking news, stay home. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.